Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be checking on the lawnmower that disappeared in my video yesterday. Let's go take a look. So hopefully it's back, because obviously we miss it right now, don't we? Let me just open that up again. Right, now let's go see. And it's back. Whoa, yay. Hello. Missed you. Let's have a little wide round. Yeah, just as good as usual. Oh, it's gone again. Oh well. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more Bloxburg. Bye, guys.